Okay, so this is all about learning. What if you could learn something you wanted in class? Anything you wanted. Has that ever happened before? Most likely not. But what if Miss Menji let you? What this is called Genius Hour, right? Genius Hour is you getting to study the things that you want to do during class time. It came from Google. Google gives 80% to what they were hired for, 20% to anything they wanted to learn. So this is your chance to do that. So here's a little video on that. So yeah, you get to ask the question, what if, and find the answer. What do you want to know more about? This is your chance. It could be food, it could be cooking, it could be art, it could be chemical reactions. It could be, are those YouTube videos real? Whatever you want. Just make sure that you're passionate about it. We're going to spend the next 4 months, 16 weeks. Wait, longer than that. 1 day a week spending time on this project. So I want you to be excited to be here. The only rule is you have to master my English content first. What that means is if there's an assignment due that week, you have to turn it in before you can do Genius Hour. The good news is you can finish it and turn it in class and then continue working with Genius Hour. There are a few rules to Genius Hour. Number one, it has to be approved by me. The approval rate is pretty high. As long as it is a deep question, you will probably be able to do it. There has to be researched to back up your project. What this means is the research can be experiments that you do. It can be research from a book. It could be YouTube videos. It could be videos of you trying the thing and getting better at it. Any kind of research. And the third thing is you have to present it. You can present it on slides. You can make a video at home and then show the video. You can take us out and show us what you know. There's lots of caveats, and don't worry, there's lots of time to prep. So basically, keep calm and get your work done, and you will get to do your Genius Hour projects. We've had lots of examples why celebrities don't go to jail for the same things we do. We've had predicting the NFL draft. Are double stuffed Oreos truly double stuffed? They're not. Why do pigs sweat and how? Bullying and cyberbullying and creating a pamphlet and safe place for students to go here on campus, making Minecraft real. All kinds of options. Can't wait to see what you guys